So you didn't want to listen to me when I told you to not buy Bitcoin at all-time highs of $124,000, and here we are with Bitcoin prices at $111,000. Where can Bitcoin price go next? If you're still interested in buying some cheaper Bitcoin and you think Bitcoin's going to go to 200 grand, let's try to figure that out by looking at the charts here. So we all know the news here. Maybe some of you guys don't know, but the price of Bitcoin came crashing down on Friday, October 10th, 2025, after Donald Trump said that he's going to probably impose 100% more tariffs on China and sent the market crashing. Okay. And Bitcoin ended up coming down almost to the 200-day moving average here at 106,596. Okay. Got support, came push up the price higher, and now we're kind of hanging on to dear life here at the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement at 111,792. Bitcoin could come back and retest that 200-day moving average right below us. If we're not able to hold $111,000, we could end up coming right back to that $106,718 level here on Bitcoin. Now, if I turn on the VRVP indicator, it's going to show us some other levels to look here for Bitcoin. With this VRVP indicator, you can see that the point of control, this blue line, is a line where the majority of people bought Bitcoin since April, and they bought it at a price of $117,600. That is showing that the majority of people have bought Bitcoin at higher prices, and they're now underwater. Bitcoin could be considered undervalued now compared to where it was just a few days ago, where it was above this white line, the value area high. Bitcoin was considered overvalued. So you now have my blessings to actually buy some Bitcoin at these prices if you're inclined to do so. Okay. But you might get some cheaper Bitcoin below you at that 200-day moving average if we come to revisit at 106,700, or you might even get some more better, cheaper deals for Bitcoin at this value area low, this white line at 102,500, where a good majority of people bought Bitcoin back here in June and May. You got some people here who are not going to click the sell button unless Bitcoin goes below $102,000. So that is your target to the downside for some cheaper Bitcoin. You might get some between $102,000 and $106,000. Might be a heavily defended area, and Bitcoin might get a bounce and come right back up to that blue line, the point of control. And then when we get up to that blue line, the point of control, I would expect some heavy resistance at $117,500 Bitcoin. And then going forward, I still think Bitcoin could go up to higher prices. You got a 1618 at 137,900. And then you got a 2618 saying that Bitcoin could get up to like $156,000. But one level at a time. First, we got to get back to 117,000. Then we got to get back up to the all-time high of $126,000 Bitcoin before we can even start talking about $156,000 Bitcoin. Okay. And then for you moon boys, maybe 3618 at $175,000 Bitcoin. One level at a time, guys. Take care. Good luck investing in Bitcoin, and try to listen to me next time. And if you want to see more short form content like this, then you can come find me on the Meet Damien channel and join my 5,400 followers here and look at some of my other content here about cryptocurrencies and stocks. Take care, guys.